Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can transform your hair using Redken's Acidic Bonding Concentrate line. You will learn a complete step-by-step routine you can easily do at home. By the end of this video, you will know how to use the Acidic Bonding Concentrate system for the best possible results, and I will go over the intensive treatment and why it's important to incorporate it into your routine. You will learn all about the newest addition to the Acidic Bonding Concentrate family, which is the 5-minute liquid mask. It works in just 5 minutes and contains Redken's most intensive conditioning care complex. I will tell you all about this mask and go over how to best incorporate it into your regimen. You will also learn about another new Acidic Bonding Concentrate product, which is the lightweight liquid conditioner. This is an exciting new product which will help a lot of you have better hair results, and it gives you an opportunity to customize your hair routine based on your specific hair needs. I will also teach you all about this line, what it is, how it works, and how you can benefit from it. So if you're looking for a solution to help improve your hair, you've come to the right place. Acidic Bonding Concentrate is Redken's all-in-one solution to transform processed hair. This is their most concentrated system out of all of their product ranges. It's going to repair and intensely condition your hair, and it can be used on all hair types and textures. So if you are someone who lightens or colors your hair and you're trying to strengthen and add that resiliency back to your hair, then this is for you. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date on all things hair. When using the system, the first step will be to treat the hair with the intensive treatment. This is a pre-shampoo rinse-out treatment. You're going to apply the treatment on damp hair prior to shampooing. First, apply it to the ends of your hair and then work your way up towards the scalp. Leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes. The intensive treatment should be used before every shampoo. This is going to be your solution for damaged hair, as it's going to help improve the strength of the hair and reduce breakage. It's also going to help smooth the hair, and it contains their highest level of citric acid and their most concentrated bonding care complex formula, which I will talk about more later on in the video. This treatment provides strength repair to the hair after the first use when using it as a system. With continued use, it's going to increase your hair's resiliency, and it's also a great product to use after salon lightening or color services. The intensive treatment will help your hair feel more conditioned, and it will prepare your hair for the full benefits of the shampoo and conditioner. The next step will be to shampoo your hair. You're going to apply the shampoo on damp hair that's not dripping water and massage it into your scalp and create a rich lather. You can shampoo twice, as this will allow you to lather the shampoo better the second time for a more effective and clean feeling scalp. This shampoo is rich and thick in consistency, and it will coat your hair with less product, so a little goes a long way. Start with a dime size amount and increase as needed. This is a sulfate-free bonding shampoo that helps to provide strength repair, conditioning, and hair color fade protection on all types of damaged hair. It's also a pH balancing shampoo and contains citric acid. The acidic pH helps to defend against negative effects on the hair from things such as hair coloring, heat styling tools, and even water. Another key benefit to this shampoo is that it helps split ends become less visible when used as part of the system, and it's also going to help tame frizz and add shine to the hair. The third step will be to condition the hair. Here you have two options depending on your hair type. For fine hair, you will use the lightweight liquid conditioner, and for medium to thick hair, you will use the regular conditioner. The difference will be that the lightweight conditioner is an innovative, first-of-its-kind formula that is sprayable, and it's created specifically for fine hair. It's formulated without silicones and less wax and will not weigh the hair down. This is important for someone who has fine hair, as it's going to help the hair maintain volume and the hair will not get oily as fast. It's still going to provide bonding and smoothness to the hair, as it contains conditioning agents and bonding active, but the great benefit is that it will not add that weight while still helping to detangle and soften your hair. It quickly absorbs into the hair fiber, and it's easier to rinse out without leaving an unwanted coating or residue on the hair. Now you can customize your routine, and I highly recommend this conditioner if you have fine hair, as it's going to give you a lightweight finish and help your hair retain body and volume. It's going to help address flat hair, tangled hair, dullness, and static flyaways. Fine hair can be difficult to detangle because of the density of the hair. The hairs can catch on each other, making the hair more susceptible to tangling. Dullness can occur from heat styling that creates uneven porosity, which affects the hair's ability to retain moisture and reflect light. So if you have fine and damaged hair, then this is for you. To use it, you would simply spray it on from ends up to mid-lanes and then rinse it out. If you have medium to thick hair, you will use the regular conditioner, which is sulfate-free and does contain silicones. This conditioner is rich and thick in consistency, so start by using a small amount and increase as needed. For the best results, you can add water to create a lather before applying it to the hair. Distribute the conditioner through the mid-lanes to the ends of the hair and focus the product on the ends of your hair. Make sure to rinse it out thoroughly. The concentrated formula is going to provide intense conditioning, and it also helps with breakage by strengthening the hair. Now, it's important to note that although you should see benefits after one use, after 6 applications of the acidic bonding concentrate shampoo and conditioner, the products recreate a network of weakened bonds in the hair, so give them time to work. Also, this entire product range contains citric acid, which is an alpha hydroxy acid, so it may increase your skin's sensitivity to the sun and the possibility of a sunburn. It's best to wear protective clothing and limit sun exposure while using this line and for a week afterwards. Now let's finally talk about the newest product in this range, which is the 5-minute liquid mask. This is a deep conditioning mask that will provide hydration and repair to damaged, dry hair. This mask works in 5 minutes by not only coating the hair, but also by repairing hair damage from inside the hair. The benefits of the mask is that it will smooth the hair cuticle, provide deep hydration to the hair, and tame static and frizz. As a result, your hair should be easier to detangle and it should feel more moisturized, smooth, and soft. If you have dry, brittle, dull, chemically processed, or hard to detangle hair, then this mask is going to help address these issues. The way you're going to incorporate it into this routine is by using it as a replacement to the conditioner of your choice once per week, or as often as needed depending on how much moisture your hair is going to require. To use the mask, after shampooing, apply it from mid-lanes to ends and let it process for 5 minutes before thoroughly rinsing the hair out. You do not need to use conditioner when using the mask. So let's do a quick recap. For fine hair, you will skip the intensive treatment, shampoo the hair, and then follow with the liquid conditioner or the 5-minute mask. For medium to thick hair, you will use the intensive treatment first, then shampoo, and follow with the regular conditioner or the 5-minute mask. Lastly, you will finish by using the leave-in prior to styling. Acidic bonding concentrate consists of acidic formulas. These formulas contain a high level of bonding ingredients and the most concentrated level of carrying ingredients among any range that Redken has. This system helps to intensely condition, repair strength, and recreate weak bonds on demanding, processed hair types. If you are someone who lightens or colors your hair and you want to help improve the condition and health of your hair, then this is a system worth trying. Chemical processes change the hair by altering the pH, and over time, fluctuations in pH swell and contract the hair strand, causing damage. Our hair is made up of fibrous protein called keratin, which consists of bonds that reinforce the hair fiber. This network of bonds is formed by strong and weak bonds. When hair is chemically or heat processed, this network of hair bonds and the hair proteins becomes compromised, leading to leakage of the protein fragments, which leaves holes in the hair fiber. As a result, the hair fiber becomes porous, dry, and brittle, leading to breakage. Therefore, this line focuses on the needs of processed hair. One way to revive damaged hair is to recreate the network of weak bonds within the hair fiber, which is what this line is designed to do. Weak bonds are responsible for 2/3 of the hair's overall strength, while strong bonds, which are disulfide bonds, are responsible for 1/3 of the hair's strength. The acidic pH formulas help to rebalance the hair's pH following alkaline salon services, and the rich concentrated formulas help to deliver deep conditioning and moisture to processed, porous hair. Here's a quick demonstration on how the acidic formulas work on the pH of the hair. This is the pH scale. 0 to 7 is acidic and 7 to 14 is alkaline. Healthy hair lives at a pH of 4.5 to 5.5. This is distilled water, which is at a 7. After adding the pH drops, you can see it's turning green with a pH of 7. Here you see previously highlighted hair being added, and now the color is starting to shift and it's turning more blue, which means it's becoming more alkaline. Now Redken Shades EQ Bonder inside, which is their toner, is being added, which will start strengthening the hair, and you see the color is starting to shift and is becoming more acidic. By adding acidic bonding concentrate into the mixture, you're noticing a more yellow-green, which is bringing the hair back to about a 5. This falls into the healthy hair category and shows you the hair is in a healthier state. Now, you've noticed each bottle has citric acid listed plus a % on the packaging, followed by bonding care complex or conditioning care complex. This is Redken's prescriptive packaging, and it highlights the percentage of each complex in each formula. Each product is formulated to deliver the amount of complex the hair needs, and the remaining ingredients in each product complement the active ingredients and help to contribute to the end result. The formulas contain citric acid, cationic polymers, panthenol, glycerin, fatty alcohols, and a blend of 3 silicones. They work together to reinforce bond networks and provide moisture, smoothness, softness, and an optimal pH for hair health, which is a great combination for hair that is demanding and processed. The cationic polymers are positively charged to attract to the hair's surface. They smooth the cuticle and prevent friction between strands. Panthenol and glycerin are moisturizing and add shine. Fatty alcohols and silicones protect the hair fiber and add extra conditioning and shine. Citric acid, also known as an alpha-hydroxy acid, works in combination with the bonding care complex to help fortify the weakened bonds, improving strength and resiliency after lightening and color services. The bonding care complex is a combination of ingredients known to improve the hair's resiliency and provide intense conditioning, while the conditioning care complex contains silicones and fatty alcohols to help protect the hair fiber and add durability. The intensive treatment has the highest percentage of the bonding care complex, which is double the amount the shampoo has, and the 2 conditioners contain 11%. The mask and the leave-in both contain the conditioning care complex, and the mask has more than 3 times the amount of complex in comparison to the leave-in. The mask has a high concentration of cationic agents and conditioning oils. By using the leave-in, you'll help to strengthen and condition the hair while also protecting your hair from heat up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. So if you're going to be using styling tools, don't forget to add this leave-in to your routine. Ultimately, this line is great for anyone who's received a salon service and has chemically treated hair. If you're seeking to repair strength and resiliency to the hair and want to intensely condition your hair, then you can try these products out. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for our upcoming videos.